Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making Banga rice. Wow, this is a very interesting and lovely meal. I'll just run you through how to make it. So we are going to be using Banga fronds. Yeah, this is about 1 derica, yes. And I'm going to also be using fish. I'm going to wash this and fry it and set it outside. And I'll be using pepper. I already roughly blended it as much as you can tolerate. Then I have crayfish, blended crayfish as well. And I'm going to be using Bonga to heighten the taste of this meal. Onions, of course, I'm going to be using a lot of onions for this. I like onions naturally, but you actually need onions for this. So we're going to go start cooking now. First thing, you cook your banga, you add water to pot, and then you cover it and cook it for about 30 minutes or thereabouts. But just always check on it. Once it's soft enough, then you know it's ready. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my banga juice. How did I do this? I'll put a link here to show you how to juice out your banga. All you have to do is just pound the banga, separate the kernel from the skin, and you juice out the oil. So I allowed that to boil, and it has boiled now, so I'm going to start cooking properly. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, and to my first-time subscribers, I say I love you as well. So please like this video on YouTube, share this recipe with others, and if you want to, subscribe to my channel as well. So I just added pepper to this, and I've added my Banga spice, Orima. I was looking for the English name, I couldn't get it, so the name is Orima spice. I'm going to add blended crayfish to this as well. Banga rice is a special delicacy to the Niger Delta people, Delta State, Warri. Yeah, number one. Growing up as a kid in Benin City, I enjoyed Banga rice a lot. We queue up and wait for the Delta woman that sells it. So I just added Bonga fish to this now, and I'm going to bring in my onion. Like I was saying, Banga rice growing up, it was not funny. We all wait. We'll tie the rice in nylon and we'll be sucking it. It was always delicious. It was always served hot, and it's my first time of trying to make it, my first attempt, and I know I'll do better when I'm making it the next time. So now I'm bringing in my dried prawns. This is all I have. So I'm going to bring it in now. Then I'm going to salt this. I'm going to add seasoning cube to it, and then I'll cover it and bring to a boil. Please, when adding salt, be careful, because you can see that there's a lot of water. So if you add so much salt, your food will end up being so salty. So just add a little first of all, and then you taste it later and see when if there's not enough salt, then you can add more salt. If you add so much salt in the beginning, you're going to regret it later. So now I'm going to bring in my washed rice. I washed my rice and I set it aside. If you know me, you should know that I wash my rice for about 6 times whenever I want to use it, because I don't like parboiling rice. And so I just bring this in. I'm going to go in and I'll stir this up and mix it up properly. Then I'll cover this and allow it to cook for about 30 minutes. I always tell people this: when cooking your rice, even if somebody tell you cook for 25 minutes, cook for 10 minutes, always check on your rice. If you notice that the rice is getting burnt, you check on it, because if you just leave it for that exact time, you might end up with a disaster. So I'm going to stir from bottom to top, and I will tell you, get prepared. This rice is going to get burnt. There's nothing I can do to salvage that. So you see, I just added a little bit of salt to this because it's rice, you know, and don't add so much salt, please. So I'm covering this up and I'm cooking for 15 minutes. So guys, while waiting, I would like to tell you this: thank you so much to 600 subscribers. Thank you all for all you do. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with others as well. Thank you. So if you can see this, you see that there's still water. You can see it's still bubbling. So I'm not going to wait for this water to be totally dried, because you don't want dried rice. You want a rice that is a bit wet. So I'm going to go in now and mix this up properly. This is how you make Banga rice. mix it up properly, it's banga rice. If you notice, my banga did not bring out so much oil, maybe because I didn't use so much banga. Although I like it like this, but if you want the extra oil in your banga rice, just try and have more banga. I used 1 derica of banga, the Lagos State measurement for this, and this is how it is. I'm going to add blended crayfish, which I just did. The reason for this is to heighten the taste of this meal. This is going to take it to another level. And I'm going to bring in my remaining blended pepper. Yeah, this is just to give it that fine look and all that. You know, it's going to really look nice when you add pepper also, just for the look. And I'm going to be using scent leaf, just a bit of scent leaf, not so much vegetable, just to give it the flavor and to spicing it up a bit. So my scent leaf is ready. What I did is I didn't even use knife. I just shredded it with my hands and I'm bringing it in now. I've washed it. Always wash your vegetable before putting it in to avoid sand. You don't want to be having such a lovely meal and you're biting sand. So I'm going to cover this up and I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes, but I am going to reduce my heat. Please reduce your heat. Thank you. Alright, so I added onion. I'm sorry I didn't show you. I just added a little bit of onion because I have so much onion in here already. So I'm going to mix this up and I'm just going to stir from top to bottom. Thank you guys. Thank you for all you do. The love is massive. I can feel it all the way here. Please like this video and share this my banga rice recipe with others, and leave a comment for me on the comment section. Yes, I really love to hear from you. I would like to hear suggestions. I would like to hear what you think, and I would like to hear how it turned out if you tried any of my recipes. So please, I want to hear from you. Just drop a comment. Thank you. So this is almost ready, but I want it softer than this. So I'm going to cover this rice again and leave it very low heat. I'm going to leave it for another 3 to 5 minutes. The heat will be very low because you don't really need so much heat. Just cover it up, reduce your heat, and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. All right, I'm going in now. You can see it's softer now, and this is ready to be served. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and tell me if you enjoyed this banga rice recipe. Thank you so much. Banga rice is one of my favorites, and if you have not had it before, you are missing. Try it out and tell me if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. And now guys, this is the outcome. I'm going to show you. Yes, I'm going to enjoy my rice and fried fish. Till we meet again. Bye. Love you.